Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A squared minus b is equal to 31. B squared minus a is equal to 31. Solution. A squared minus b is equal to 31. Let's call this equation 1. Then b squared minus a is equal to 31. Let's call this equation 2. We can now subtract equation 1 from this equation 2. Let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is a squared minus b minus e squared minus a is equal to 31 minus 31. Then this is a squared minus b minus, let's open bracket with this negative. We have b squared plus a is equal to 31 minus 31. This is 0. Then here we have, let's compare this with this. A squared minus b squared, then plus a minus this b is equal to 0. A squared minus b squared, this is in the form of perfect square. That is a plus b bracket a minus b plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now here a minus b is common. A minus b is common. Let's bring it out. A minus b bracket, if you divide this by this, we have a plus b, and if you divide this by this, we have plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus b equal to 0, and the second case is a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from this first case, a is equal to b. We can call this equation 3. And from this second case, a is equal to minus b minus 1. Let's call this equation 4. Recall that from equation 1, we have a squared minus b is equal to 31. But here a is equal to b, so we can now substitute for a. Then we have b squared minus b is equal to 31. Now here we have b squared minus b minus 31 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is giving us b is equal to minus b, in this case, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 31. Then we have b is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 31 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then b is equal to minus times minus 1, that will be plus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 31, that is plus 124 and over 2. Here we have b is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 124, that is 125 over 2. And this is 1 plus or minus square root of 125 can be written as 25 multiplied by 5 over 2. Then b is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 25, that is 5 root 5 over 2. Therefore, let's say b is equal to 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, or b is equal to 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2. We've gotten the value of b. Now let's solve for a. To solve for a, from equation 3, a is equal to b. So, and b is equal to 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, or 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2. Therefore, a will be equal to 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, or 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2. Therefore, our final answer from the first case are a comma b is equal to 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, comma 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2. Also, a comma b is equal to 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2, comma 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2. These are the value of a and b from the first case. Let's consider the second case. From second case, we have a is equal to minus b minus 1. Then from equation 1 also, a square minus b is equal to 31. Now here we have, when a is equal to minus b minus 1, we have minus b minus 1 square minus b is equal to 31. Then we have so this is minus b minus 1 bracket minus b minus 1 minus this b is equal to 31. Now if we expand this, or this, we have minus b square plus 2 bracket minus b bracket minus 1 plus minus 1 square, then minus this b is equal to 31. Then here we have b square plus 2b plus 1 minus b is equal to 31. Then this is b square plus b. Then here will be plus 1 minus 31 is equal to 0. Half b square plus b minus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using factorization method. Then here, the product P will be equal to minus 5 multiplied by 6. This will give you minus 30. And the sum S must be equal to B, that is equal to minus 5B plus 6B. This is equal to B. Now let's substitute. We have B square minus 5B plus 6B minus 30 is equal to 0. Then we have B bracket B minus 5 plus 6 bracket B minus 5 is equal to 0. Then here, B minus 5 is common. We have B minus 5 bracket. This is B plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we have two cases, B minus 5 equal to 0 or B plus 6 is equal to 0. Then from here, B is equal to 5. And from here, B is equal to minus 6. We've gotten the value of B. Then let's solve for A. To solve for A, from equation 4, that is A is equal to minus B minus 1. Then when B is equal to 5, A is equal to minus 5 minus 1. Then A is equal to minus 6. Also, when B is equal to minus 6, then A will be equal to minus bracket minus 6 minus 1. A is equal to 6 minus 1. A is equal to 5. Therefore, our final answers are from the second case. A comma B is equal to, we have minus 6 comma 5, and A comma B is equal to 5 comma minus 6. So these are the value of A and B from the second case. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation A square minus B is equal to 31. Then B square minus A is equal to 31. But let's consider this. We have A square minus B is equal to 31. Then the first A comma B is equal to 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, comma 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2. Then let's substitute here. We have 1 plus 5 root 5 But here is over 2. We can say this is over 2 and this over 2. Then all square minus this b is equal, must be equal to 31. So we have 1 over 2 plus 5 root 5 over 2 all square minus 1 over 2 plus 5 root 5 over 2 must be equal to 31. Now let's expand this. Here is 1 over 4 plus 5 root 5 over 2 plus we have 25 multiplied by 5 over 4, then minus here will be 1 over 2 minus 5 root 5 over 2 must be equal to 31. Then this, we cancel this. We have 1 over 4 plus 25 times 5, that is 125 over 4. Then here we have 1 over 2 minus over 4. Then here we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 must be equal to 31. Then we have the LCM here is 4. So if you find the LCM, this will be 125 over 4 minus 1 over 4 must be equal to 31. Then here we have 124 over 4 must be equal to 31. Then if you divide 124 by 4, there is 31 is equal to 31, which is true. Now, let's consider this when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 6 from the second case. Then we have A square minus B must be equal to 31. Then A square, this is 5 square minus bracket minus 6 must be equal to 31. Here will be 25 minus times minus is this is plus 6 must be equal to 31. 25 plus 6, this is 31 is equal to 31, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.